Here we see one of our special transports for technology products. The truck is equipped according to the requirements for safe and secure transport of fragile technology products. Most importantly, it's navigated by our especially well-trained drivers. Our customers often demand more than a specially designed transport. They're looking for a delivery that does not end until their technical products are ready to be used in exactly the right place at their final destination. Over the past 50 years, we have developed our services in close cooperation with our customers. This has resulted in a unique value chain of services. We call it high-tech logistics. We offer a solution that includes everything that is required from warehousing to complete installation, within a variety of industries. At our warehouses, we offer warehousing, unpacking and functional testing of all types of technical products. We also handle pre-configuration and assembly, everything in order for the product to be able to be used as soon as possible after delivery. Thanks to our extensive experience in handling products that are sensitive, heavy, valuable and bulky, we can provide professional advice in the early stages of the project for deliveries and collections. If you are in need of special packaging, we will manufacture it. Otherwise, we will take care of the transport completely without packaging. Once at the customer's location, we know what it takes to ensure a safe and secure delivery, whether it is a lifting crane or manual power. We make sure that the products end up in the exact location as intended. In addition, our staff also has the expertise to assemble and install the products on site, whether it be a copier or an MRI camera. High-tech logistics, brought to you by